Right then, boys and girls, the tricky run at the end there, okay, so of this sequence. So after you come out of the A chord, you do the phrase, the slower phrases, right, it goes. Then you do exactly the same thing but quicker. Then you've got this rundown, which is quite quick and quite tricky, but so I'm going to really break it down for you note by note, so you play it slowly, gradually build your speed up. Okay, so it's like if I play it slowly for you, it's like from the A, I'll play it slower, really slow, okay? And it plays that twice as quick. And then this run. Whole song starts again. Okay, so what am I doing there? So after you've done that, two slower ones of that, you play it twice as quick, twice, and then you do this. So that's a pull off from the second string to the 5th fret, 6 to 5. Then go to the 7th on the 3rd, right? Back to the 6th fret of the 2nd. Then you go down. I like to put the bar up and play the 5th fret of the 2nd and the 5th fret of the 3rd. So it's at 6, 2nd string, 6 to 5. Pull off, 7 on the 3rd, 6 on the 2nd, 5th on the 2nd, and then also on the 5th fret of the 3rd. So it's alright. Then we go up to the 7th on the 3rd. Sorry. Then you go down to the 4th on the 3rd, right? Right. Slowly. Okay, as far as we got. Then we do this little, holding that 4th fret of the 3rd string, you go up to the 5th fret of the 3rd string and pull off to the 4th. Right, so now you've got then you go up to the what I do anyway, the 7th fret of the 4th string. Sorry, 7th fret of the 4th. So now the whole thing is sorry. I tend to use my pinky for that one, actually. Okay, you use whichever suits you best. Okay, so far coming out of that. Okay, then what we do is we play the. After we've done that, we play the open 2nd and the open 3rd, and then we do a 2nd on the 3rd, pull off to open, 2nd string open, 3rd string open, fret the 2nd on the 3rd, pull off to open, and then play the 3rd fret of the 4th. So open 2nd, open 3rd, 2nd fret, pull off to open 3rd on the 3rd string, and then 3rd fret of the 4th. So far we've got this going from this bit. Play it faster. Another fancy run. Okay, nearly there. Open third, second on the fourth, third on the fourth, open fourth. So I got that. Open third, second on the fourth, third on the fourth, open fourth, and finally the third on the fifth. So now, from the beginning of this run, it's right, so that's third on the fourth. That last one is third on the fourth, second on the fourth, sorry, open third, second on the fourth, third on the fourth, open fourth, third on the fifth. And then what we do is we play, or you can do the easier way is just to go up. You sit there for a couple of beats, and then you go up to the next fret, the fourth fret of the fifth string, and then we play a D minor. So it's what I was doing with it is I was playing the third on the fifth, and then I was playing a lazy A chord. I was barring the first finger, barring the second fret of the fourth, third and second, and putting my third finger up to that fourth fret of the fifth string and playing 5 down to 2. But you didn't, that's just luxury. You could just play that note if you just. But I was going. Okay, so that run slowly. Even slower. I'll do it from the Okay, now then, the rhythm underneath that bit that goes, the rhythm for that, it starts off with a D minor to A minor, Alright, so it sits on the D minor coming into it. Da 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 da. So D minor to A minor. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. The second time round, it's that B flat major 7th or B flat, whichever one you want to do. B flat or B flat major 7th to an F chord. So it's da 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 da. Right, second one. The third one, da 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 da. That's D minor to A minor again. Da 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 da. And then to C, and then to an A major, That's that bit where you go that bit, okay? So right, from the beginning. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Okay, got that. All right, and then we've got the next bit, which is like the next bit. That bit goes that bit is D minor to G. Okay, so 2 lots of that, and then it's the same thing but twice as quick. So it goes, and then this bit where it goes twice as quick, it's just the same chords but twice as quick. So okay, got that? So we got that. So it's so slowly. Twice as quick now. So just the same, D minor to G all the way through that bit, yeah? Now we come to the rundown. That bit, yeah? Now, so while you're obviously playing that, the chords to it is just a sequence of chords, like... Alright, so all it is it's a B flat. I'm playing it as a bar chord on the 6th fret, okay? It's just a rundown. B flat, A minor, G, F, so it's da, 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 da. It's just a single stroke on each beat, okay? Each single chord, single beat on a stroke on each note. So da, 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 da. So it's B flat, A minor, G, F, E minor, back to F, C, B flat, A flat, A, D minor. So da 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 da. Okay, so slowly. B flat. Da 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 So there you have it, okay? As I say, there is the link in the description box for the rhythm track that I put down, so you can play along with it or just listen to it, and if you want to try and learn the rhythm, okay? And then the whole thing just starts all over again if you want to play it twice the way through, okay, make it twice as long. Thanks very much for watching and listening. I hope that helped you. It's a little bit difficult to explain some of that. Hopefully you've got it, okay? If not, just ask me a question. Thanks very much for now. See you soon. Bye.